Hello guys! This is my first video in this year, so Happy New Year! I know that I am not very often on YouTube, but that doesn't mean that I gave up or I'm not drawing anymore. I just wanted to take a break and put my skills and my knowledge to the next level. And I think it's very important for each artist to leave space for improvements and for develop their skills more and more. Recently I finished one of the courses at Online Makeup Academy, exactly Special Effects Makeup, and I can't describe you how happy I am because I didn't expect that much from some online course. There are a lot of online courses for makeup artists I watched and I learned, but exactly this one from Online Makeup Academy, Special Effects Makeup course, definitely deserves to speak about it and to do a shout out. Let's start first with my mentor, Crystal. She's so nice and calm, and not even that she speaks how to do makeup while she's doing that makeup in the course. She also speaks about mistakes that can happen and how to fix them. Besides that, course is one-on-one. You can leave your comments below video so they can respond immediately. My special effects course was beyond any expectations, so I didn't have to leave any comments. And if you forget to ask something or how to make it after finishing the course, you get post-graduation support as long as you need, updates, and lifetime mentorship. I mean, who else can you give that? Also, it's really important for us who don't speak English very good or understand English very good. Instructor speaks very slow, and also you have a subtitle below, so I think they were thinking about everything. You can understand totally everything she speaks about. The second thing which I found very important is that there is no cut in videos, which means if some look requires like for 1 hour of doing of makeup, that video will last 1 hour. There is no any cut. No matter if course is online, after each finished module, you need to upload your work so your instructor can see it and guide you further. That's why when you get your certification, you know that you deserve it. And the last thing, which I was very worried about, are products used in creating of looks in this course. As you know, I live in Serbia, and it is really difficult for us to get the same products they use at course. But instructor, she was thinking about everything, so she explained how to replace those products, or if you can replace it, how to make it by yourself. Because of that, in this school, with your Pro credit card, you get 40% off from products as Maron, Cryoline, Benai, Inglot, and many more. 10 to I fell in love with airbrushing because of them too. One more thing I need to tell you, I had very a strange feeling just because I had very great experience with this course from Online Makeup Academy, that every time I stopped watching, you know, and when I come back, I had that feeling that my instructor asked me, okay Kika, are you ready so we can continue to do makeup? So it is insane how good they make this course. I'm just speechless, really. I suppose that you want to see what I learned in this course from Online Makeup Academy. So I mixed a few modules and yeah, get ready so you can see my model. He's very cute, handsome and calm guy, but for transformation, I wanted to pick a role for him for some bar fight movie scene, and of course, he's a bad guy. Combine bruises, scars, tattoos and hair modules with applying and painting this one prosthetic. I really enjoyed it and he was totally into the role. So if you want to become certificated special effects makeup artist, click on the link below and learn from your home.